Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet, like rain upon my tongue. I tasted life was here. It were a foolish game, the way an evening breeze would tease a candle flame. Thousand dreams I dreamed, the splendid things I planned, I always built to last. One weekend shifting sand, I live by day and shun the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wild pleasures that lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eye refused to see. I run so fast that time and youth at last ran out. I never stop to think what life is all about, and every conversation that I can recall concern itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. I used my magic aid as if it were a wind, and never saw the way and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every time I leave so quickly died. The friends I made all seem somehow to drift away, and only I am left on the stage to end the play. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eye refused to see. There are so many songs in me that won't be sung. I feel the bitter side of tears upon my tongue, and the time has come for me